water container. And these three houses, when water comes here through the pipe, it goes downside in the vent.
So why you need this technology we need? Why you think?
To saving the water.
Why you need to save water?
Because of there are most problems of droughts. Droughts.
Droughts.
And
So do you think you can put this in Rajasthan?
yeah, but the rain will not fall, then it will. And this is now going in Kerala.
Kerala. So what
Yeah.
is this?
That it is showing that water is more important than gold. Means gold we will have, then it's nothing, but water is basic need of man.
Are you using some precautionary measures while handling that switch? With the weight hands you are handling the switch.
No.
So don't do it again. Huh? Make it dry and then.
So normally see that dry cells or liquid batteries H2SO4 generate electricity, domestic electricity. But here, sir, I have generated electricity with the help of natural resources. Sir, I have used the crush of Rui plant, which is called as Calotropis procera in medical language. This is a graphite rod which is used in a normal dry cell, and this is a zinc container. Here, a graphite rod absorbs the positive polarity from the current which is produced in this crush of Rui plant. This zinc container absorbs the negative polarity from the electricity produced by this Rui plant. When this Rui plant is an actual plant, this absorbs the solar energy as it contains a special type of acid called as cathodic acids. These acids absorb the solar energy, and there is a chemical reaction taken place as manganese is contained in chlorophyll which is present in the leaves. This manganese dioxide, when reaction with oxygen, has a reaction with carbon from carbon dioxide during intake of photosynthesis. It produces electricity. A similar concept is applied in a normal dry cell. A normal dry cell has a fossil fueled paste of ammonium chloride, zinc chloride, manganese dioxide and carbon. But here there is a natural and indirect paste of manganese dioxide and carbon. This is the graphite rod, which is a type of carbon which generates electricity. Here natural electricity is generated with the help of Rui plants. This symptom can be used in day-to-day life by the cultivation of these Rui plants in a particular each society, and a large zinc container with a large graphite rod. So this is a replica of it. Its crush with machines can be done, and electricity can be produced to the whole society. This concept can also be applied in military forces, where electricity is used to pass on messages with the signals, and here electricity can be produced as there are sacks of cottages, and large zinc containers can produce electricity. This can reduce the problem of load shedding, which is popular in India. Sir, each produces 0.75 volt.
What?
Each battery produces 0.75 volt when measured with the voltmeter, and 0.75 into 6, that is 4.5 volt is produced to this battery, produced to this bulb which glows.
But so this idea, it's because of there is some acids.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
And do you know this is very toxic?
yes, sir.
So you are using it with very empty hand.
Sir, I don't know.
This
Sir,
plant is very toxic.
Sir, it has poison as well
Yeah,
as,
so
well as
how
good.
do you use this poisonous thing to build something? Because you have to handle it and you have to do it all sorts of stuff, and zinc also not good for it.
Sir, but melted zinc is can harm our body because it is in liquid state and can easily be
Melted zinc in high temperature. In room temperature, zinc will be as solid.
Just now you have mentioned that there should be a big container.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and big container if will be, then the electricity will be lower. You know the mass effect? You don't know.
So why you are here? You not used a big container?
Sir, because this is a miniature of it to just understand the concept of natural electricity.
Oh yes, but just now you mentioned that in the colonies we should use a big container.
Yes, sir.
And if it is a replica of this, then you should use here large container. Or is there any other reason?
And so, have you tried with the other acids like
Yes,
the
sir.
lemons and all?
Yes, sir. I tried with rose.
Rose?
With the yes, sir. Rose plant. It also has a white pigment like this.
Yeah, but that is very toxic.
Yes.
Again, you are showing it. Keep it down. The lemon, if you use here, will it work?
Yes, sir. Sir, lemon contains citric acid. It can
Yeah.
also generate.
ये सीरीज में लगाना पड़ता है.
Sir, parallel
इसका जो
series.
है, parallel and series में लगाना पड़ता है. Big container will not use. I mean, will not work. Effectively.
Sir, only one big container. Sir,
The rubber is joined. Then the rubber is joined with pulley and radio. Sorry, sir. Wait, I will 1 minute. Sir, I will tell once again. Sir, this is a remote control van. It works because of this motor and this pulley. When we join these two together, it works in front. See, sir. We can find this concept in robots because it can be goes in front. This is because of magnet. This is because of electric force. That is why. And sir, that all the rubber and these things required rubber. All these things, sponge for that. Sir, these ties are made up of the thermocol. And this is made up of that plastic. Sir, you can try. Sir, wait.
Like a kid like you.
So, what is the use of it? Do you hear about Curiosity?
So what?
Do you hear about Curiosity? The robot the NASA sent to Mars.
Yes. Sir, all these things are needed for this. Sir.
Getting why? What is the purpose?
What is the importance?
What we should.
Because
Sir, and light starts. in this.
What do you want to highlight?
the toys in
क्या दिखाना चाहते हो exactly यहाँ पर? ये front पे चलता है, पुली का use है,
सर
पुली का use
सर मतलब ये चीज़ है ना उधर भी यूज़ होती है वो रोबोट्स में उसके वजह से आजकल मतलब रोबोट्स जिसकी वजह से बनाते हैं ना मोटर और वो यूज़ करके और कारों में भी यूज़ होते हैं इंजन में पिछले वो सर
वो क्या सिर्फ आगे जाता है, पीछे नहीं जाता,
पीछे हो जाते हैं
पीछे भी जाता है.
हाँ इसको अगर है ना हम लोग इसको
Change
अगर उल्टा
करेंगे
करेंगे तो यस सर हाँ थैंक यू सर
Plan, but through a newer version, that is ISBR. ISBR means improved sequential batch reactor. The uniqueness of this project is that earlier if it was settling, then they used to keep it for 7 to 8 hours and then they used to start the next thing, that is aeration. But nowadays it is after settling, there is no stoppage in this project. So when settling is there, that time only aeration happens and that time only filling happens. The process is this is a nala. From here all the wastewater from cities is collected and it goes into the inlet chamber. This is a filter where the stones, rags and all are trapped, and only great small particles, sand and all go into the inlet chamber. Through 90 horsepower it goes to the grid chamber where all the sand is separated. But as there is lot of wastewater, so it overflows and then it goes through the pipe, and here the filling happens where the dirty water is collected, and from down all the dirty water is pumped, which pours out the pure water, that is known as decantation. In aeration, the aerobic bacteria digest the human waste and produce many impure gases, and there is a central zone where the anaerobic bacteria digest the human feces and produce many impure gases. They produce CO2, H2S, ethane and methane gas. The CO2 and H2S help to the CO2 and H2S are trapped into the scrubbers, and then they are cleaned and sent into the environment as they are very harmful, and the ethane and methane gas help to generate electricity. So here the electricity is generated, and in settling all the dirty water is settled down. 98% pure water comes out, and the waste things which had settled down, they go through the underground pipes. They go for sludge thickening, and then they are blended, and then they are trucked as manure. When the pure water came up in settling, they go through the pipe with a lot of force. It helps to rotate the hydro turbine, and then the water is pured and sent into the rivers and lakes.
So, where are you going to plan to set up this city?
Sir?
Where are you going to plan this setup?
Sir, it is actually planted in Akurdi. Sir, because it every day cleans a lot of water that can be used. It generates electricity, so we will plant this so that this is the dirty water from cities. This is the hydro turbine. Here no, the process ends here, but to show the continuous flow of water.
It's not a proper model of the authority.
So here you have three chambers. One, the water will come after this first sort of filtration by the sand or mud or whatever filtration. So this will come here, and then this one is for
Aeration.
aeration.
The air is pumped.
Yeah, so the air is pumped, and then there will
Aerobic bacteria grow. They digest the human waste.
So that will take some time to do. So how much time it takes, aeration?
No, they don't take any time. It starts producing when the air is pumped. It directly starts producing. I had went to that plant with my father. He showed me this.
In order to aerate, we have to count the air.
So the design is good, but it is itself a energy consuming design.
No, sir. Actually, they use 3000 kilowatts electricity from the MSCBs, but they also produce 2400 kilowatts, and then they run this process. And now they are going to generate. They are going to install more generators so that they produce electricity not only for themselves but also for the slum dwelling areas.
So this idea is already out there. So why you want to show the same idea here?
Sir, because here much energy is consumed, energy is saved. Because in earlier times, much energy used to be wasted. 7 to 8 hours used to go, suppose for settling only. But now.
The plant you have seen in Akurdi, see you been there, you have seen the plant. They have the similar kind of plant.
Sir, but it is a new concept. So it is because very unique. It is only the one plant in Asia. So it is.
So the same water they are using to drink again?
No, sir. It only the water is used to generate electricity. Is not used for.
Chlorinate it. What is the necessity of chlorinification? Chlorinification?
You know the chlorine?
Sir, chlorinification means they make the water pure. Sir, but they had told that if it because they send it into the rivers and lakes, from there the nature carries on. That they also they are also. Yes, sir. It is only
Animals and
plants, etc.
Now when I put the piston down, the water comes here from the outlet. Sir, can I show? Sir, be alert. It can be used to lift the water from well. In villages where pulley is used or motors, we can save electricity and energy with help of this.
So pulley also you are not using any electricity.
Sir, but besides that I have prepared this model to show that without pulley also we can use this.
Without
I don't understand. Who will press this?
pulley
Sir.
is also.
Sir, it was of doing with the legs, sir, but my sir told that do with hand.
You do it lift.
Yes, with the legs.
You can, when you put this foot here and goes up,
Yes.
this you can
Sir told do with hand. Otherwise,
staircases.
sir, it is like staircases model.
But the problem I found, so
Sir, that wire is not much so that it can take my weight on it.
see, here is
Hole.
there is a hole, so it will take only this much water.
But every time.
Yes, sir, every time.
Take only this much
This
water.
much water.
Because after certain time it will take soft water, then soft air, then water. It can't. The hole is here.
Yes, the hole is to get down the water. From this is a well.
Yeah, but when you suck it,
Yes,
the
sir.
water will come.
Yes.
Okay, can you show me once?
Press it. Comes, and you release the hand. Yes.
We have to get it. And now,
Both made only one.
So both are you together?
Yes. So he is my helper.
We are both friends and you can handle this, so I can.
What is the project? Land?
Landmine.
You want to land? Okay, tell me.
So this is another country, this is our country, this is on the border. When anybody will step on this, the landmine will be activated. The landmines are situated under the ground. When anybody will activate, the fire will put on. Here is one the explosion, but due to some conditions sir have not permitted us to keep here the explosion, and it will be blast within a second. This is the another landmine. When anybody will step on this, the siren will be get on, and our military force will come to know that somebody have came into our country. And this all are India. India also produces the landmines. The landmine which we have made is not so powerful, which is in the rival ones.
So there is already landmines and there is already all this technology out there. The sensors and all. The sensor you are talking, there is far better sensor than this. It can sense even from kilometers.
Yes,
So what is the unique of your design? Why
sir.
you
If
want-
In the second war also landmines are used. The second war.
Yeah. Okay, it's happened
Sir,
so
we
long
have-
back, landmines
yes.
and all.
so, but that concept is totally different. We have made
Oh,
different.
how? So tell me,
So we have
say
made
your
different-
idea. What is the difference?
So we have made of means easy ways which we can get in the in our
Landmine
surroundings.
always easy. You just step on and then you are dead.
Yes, the material which we have got is we can get from surroundings.
The material is nothing is there. It's only a sensor. It will knock down and it will blow up. That's it. And then inside the blower there is all these glass wire, glass and all that will hurt you and you will be dead. That's it.
explosive material used you have used is quite easily available, isn't it? क्या use किया आपने? What is the
So lighter.
No,
Sir,
explosive
explosive, sir.
material, it's the same explosive material. There is nothing they can do with explosive. It's not allowed to discharge explosive material other than DND.
well,
Okay, good try.